sleep. Okay, I'll do it while she sleep. Okay. Let me go ahead and get my money back, and I'll holler at you. I'll holler at you. Okay, I think it's right at 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna be down here. Catch one dropping, and I'm good. Matter of fact, I might just do $9. So I can end off the day better than what I started. Oh snap, I missed it. But yeah. That pretty much concludes my trading for the day. Told y'all and show y'all some live trading and some fake trading. And pretty much there you have it. About to get my jog on. My daughter came in here, let me know. My other daughter's asleep. It's time for me to get my jog on. Feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna get that jog on right quick. I'm gonna go ahead and slide that $1.60 profit. Once you have a good trading day, you can keep making money, but you need to minimize your risk real low where it doesn't affect the rest of your money. It just adds to it. It's your boy, Houston Birds, Big Business, man. I told y'all, man. Holler back at your boy. Maze World HQ at the Rebellion. I told y'all. Finna be up to $100. Stay with me.